have made it to 10 subscribers. Actually 11, but I didn't have time to make this video before the 11th one joined. When you get a lot of subscribers on YouTube, they send you special rewards. But it turns out they don't bother sending you anything until you get to 100,000 subscribers.
That's too much, man.
So I'm taking matters into my own hands, and for milestones that I care about but YouTube doesn't, I'm going to give myself coloured play buttons. The first one is 10, which is red. So far on the channel, I have tried to start making my robot. Spoiler alert, it doesn't work. The drive system is just not powerful enough. I made a terrible video about it. I told you about my favourite filament. And I started 3D printing my new 3D printer. I failed lots of prints. I failed at filming it. But I did look really cool while doing it. So here it is. It's pretty poor quality. It came out severely warped, but I don't think I'm going to bother printing it again because it was just a bit of fun. I'm not really sure why it's so badly warped, because if you look at advice online, it says that PLA warps from too much heat on the heat bed, whereas I printed it with no heat. So you'd think if anything went wrong, it would just be failing to adhere in the first place, but no. I got severe warping. So, a big thank you to each and every one of my 11 subscribers, and if you're not one of them, I'm going to award myself an orange play button when I get to 50, so you can be part of that.